Hi, this is Nirmal. Okay, let's see what happened today, what will happen tomorrow. Okay. Yesterday itself, I told, okay, before SGS Nifty trading, I told market is bullish. Okay, either Nifty will go up and inching closer to Nifty, and Nifty future will inching closer to Nifty by consolidation or the rallies. Okay, today all done. Okay, within a 1 day. I told Bank Nifty after confirmation go on buy. This 5 minutes candle will show you the volume and the candle, that thing. Okay, so here the confirmation you got within a 5 minutes. So at 18,000, 19,900 if you bought now also 20,176 also. Okay, so the confirmation will got in within a seconds. Okay, after resistance breakout or support breakout in buy or sell. Okay. Now let's see, okay, what will happen tomorrow. Okay. Remain market is buying dips only. Okay, let's see. So I hope like yesterday I told something on that Hindustan Unilever, ITC, hope got some money also. Okay, after 193 the target will be 203 like that. Okay, today that is made. Okay, so like that Hindustan Unilever, I clearly told buy when resistance is broken or support is broken like that. Okay. So this area is broken in this candle. Okay, close 2057. Okay, today 2133. Within a day, I target achieve. Those who follow this hope got a good money. Okay, open 2075 only. Okay, you can buy that time also. Okay. So like this. And another one I have to share like it Biocon. Okay, 1 week before I shared that share with you. This 366 range is very much crucial for the Biocon. So if you above 366 now go and buy, I told. Today that happened. That also very big volume. Okay. Here. Okay. So that 366 range has been broken. Okay. If you buy this level 317 also, the high was 389.70. Within the 3 hours you got the profit. Okay, so keep on watching the levels. Once you got that level, go and buy. Okay, like this. Now what's next? I will share something about the TCS. Okay, so is trailing with resistance around 2032 like that ranges. It's unable to pass the 2030 ranges like that. Okay. Now that has been crossed with good volumes. Low 2038, high 2060, closing above 2038 30 only. Okay. So tomorrow also if you got a good volume with the and trading above 2030 now, go and buy this. Okay, with a stop loss of 2020 like that. Today the confirmed breakout is happened. Tomorrow if you got about 2030 now, go and buy the stop loss of 2020 like that. Okay, and another share usually breakout happen with the good volumes only, then only it will sustain. Okay, So the breakout happened good volume. So hope it will sustain these ranges. Okay. It's slow, not broken. Okay, like that only. So these green candles are the one is a fully reference level for low and high. Okay. Hope this also will sustain. Let's see that thing. And another share, let's see about Bata. Okay. It's many times it's on one chart. It's unable to cross this 1390 to 95 ranges. Okay, 1390 cross below. Okay. Again it went up to 1398 like that. Okay. So it's many times it's unable to cross this level. So hope the breakout will happen tomorrow. I hope if you got above 1398 or 99 now, go and buy the stop loss of 1380 at closing basis. Okay, so the level will be an 1400 for buying. Okay, for this candle high target. Okay, 1488 like that. Okay, so what's this 1390 to 95 levels for the Bata? Cannot go on by like that. Okay, so Bata, TCS. Okay, these all the things you have to keep on your watch list tomorrow. Then, if you are buying a particular share in an in a, and keep the habit to watch the that indices whether it is support or resistance. Now see Nifty IT for buying TCS. Okay. Now the Nifty IT is in wedge of breakouts. Okay, high is 14,212, high is 14,431, closing 14,283. So 14,200 to 300 zone making some resistance. Okay, so this area making some resistance. If tomorrow 1 hour it's trading above 14,350 or 400 levels now, surely another breakout will happen in IT will go higher 300 to 500 points sure for the Nifty IT. Okay, so this high also 14,231 like that. So this area makes some resistance for the Nifty IT. Hope what will happen tomorrow. Okay, so Nifty IT and wedge of breakouts. Okay. Reliance also I told some resistance around 1480 level. Okay, that also broken today, good volume. Today also in Telegram I given the call 1505 1508 level. Okay, went up to 1536 also. Based on that only I given that call. Okay, so the breakout will happen with a good volume, good candle only, like that 1475 low. Okay, see this. Okay, low is 1486. So the breakout was happen is that big candle only. Then only it's like that. Okay, I given in this area. Okay, I may go by and again it came to 152 to 156. Okay, so watch the level very carefully and buy this level and earn good money. Okay, so remain indices is buy on dips. Okay, let's see what will happen tomorrow. Okay, keep TCS Bata in your indices. Yes. Okay, keep watch my channel and subscribe for learning and watch my website for further information. Okay. Bye.